Welcome to Badjao Seafront Restaurant. Oh, it's amazing place. Come on, let's go now. Okay. So we're going to take a walk for a minute. Yeah. That's good. Welcome to Badjao Seafront Restaurant. Ito kami, papasok dito. Ayan ang dinadaanan. Mangrove. After namin ng punta sa Canvas Hotel, we're here now in Badjao Seafront Restaurant. We try another place here because Mike really like to experience the sunset. Amazing place also. Okay, what a good place. That one. Amazing. Hi, magandang hapon. Very good place also. Where do you like to sit, love?
When the sun goes down, you'd want to be over here.
Yeah. Later, if not, there. No.
When the sun gets down. Yeah.
Yep. Angela. Manang. You better sit down here. If that's okay with you. Okay. Okay. Yeah, the place is really good. So this one, oh my God, you cannot see the view. We can transfer first, love. Then later we can go back here.
Oh, they said they can lower this. They said it's gonna lower.
Pwedeng ibaba niyo yung ito oh. Oo, para tapos mamaya na lang itaas. Yan. Okay. Hi, thank you.
Mga 20 minutes wala na.
Oo, after 20 minutes naman, the sun will goes down. So we're here now in Badjao Seafront. The place is good. And then, ma-experience namin mamaya ang sunset kasi gusto ni Mike ma-experience ang sunset. Dito kami ngayon sa Badjao Seafront. So, ayan. So, maya-maya kakain muna kami. See you guys around.